Hey guys, Mighty Stacker here once again with another review of a LEGO City set. This is set number 60001, the Fire Chief car. 80 pieces, 2 minifigures. So, this is the front of your box. This is the back of it. Kind of excited to get this set. Looks a little bit like the patrol car I got last year. So, let's open her up and build it. Alright, here is the full set. It's very nice looking, I like it a lot. So, let's start as we normally do with the minifigures. So, here we have the Chief holding a fish and a really nice looking hat that I've never ever seen before in this color. The gold Chief fire hat. Some back printing there. Tilt up to the light so you can see it. Little fish there still. Great fun printing, I like it. It's blocked by the fish. Here's the front printing. Very nice. So that's the Chief. Fish. And here we have a blonde lady, the owner of the cat, who is stuck up the tree back there. I'll show you that in a minute. We have normal back printing here. Blonde hair have been seen for a few years. Different colors. Very nice. Now, here we have the tree. It's a basic build, very, very simple build. Like 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and a little cat on top. Haven't seen this cat in years. I'm actually glad to have one again. So it's a pretty nice looking tree. So, let's move on to the real main attraction. Here we have the car. Hang on. Take out my minifigure pole here. Nah, that doesn't work. Let's do it by hand. So basically, got all stickers here. Nice detailing on the front bumper. And here, let me show you this. I've actually seen this a couple times before, but here and here are actually half hinge elements made to look like side view mirrors. That's genius. So let's open her up, have a look inside. We've got some details on the inside behind the steering wheel, a little control panel with a radio, and up here a little trunk with typical fire extinguisher, always good for fire safety, and a radio. Typical use for firemen and policemen. So we take the Chief and we put him in his car. The hat just fits over top of the trunk there. Put the lid on. Now, one thing I wanted to show you about this set is the police cruiser, the police patrol car that came with it. Well, no, it didn't come with it. This came last year. So, to differentiate, I noticed that, put them on top of each other, that this one is actually 1 stud longer, a single stud longer than the patrol car from last year. So, whoops. So basically, that's the full review. Now here, on the back license plate is the set number with the letters CL. CL must be the initials of the designer of this set. That's an interesting little feature there. On the bottom, we have no detailing, just the axles there. So yeah, that's basically the review. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you later.